Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the order of the widgets on the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Now to do that, just swipe up and open the app drawer, then go to settings. From here, tap on home screen, then go to widgets. And from here, to change the order of the widgets, just drag the widget as you like. For example, I will place this widget at the start, and the second widget will be the sleep widget, just like that. And I will place the heart rate widget as the third widget. Now once you change the order of the widget as you like, just tap on done. Now if you go to your home screen, you will see that we have changed the order of the widget. And this is how you can change the order of the widgets on the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.